so I can treat you like I used to. I was trying to call you on your phone, but it be hard because we ain't speaking like we used to. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a braidless sewing. No braids, just using beads. So we're gonna be using nylon thread. This little needle thing, I don't know what it's called, but I put the link in the description box. And those, I don't know what this called either. So I did the first track off camera because it was my first time doing it, so I had to get the hang of it first. So I'm gonna try to show step by step what I did. So basically I part some hair out. You don't want to leave too much or not too little either. And then you part it in little boxes like I'm doing right here. And then you pull it through, what do you call this thing? Is it a needle? I don't know. You pull it through this, and then you get the beads on the hair, like so. And by the way, my nails look crazy, so don't do me, please and thank you. And then you make it flat with this thing. And when you put the beads in, you have to make sure it's not too tight on the client's head, because if it's too tight, they won't be able to put it in a ponytail, and it's gonna cause tension, which gonna break their hair. So you have to make sure it's not too tight and it's not too loose, so that you can sew the bundles on it. And for this whole install, I use only 2 bundles because she doesn't like her hair too full. So I had to skip a row and then add more. But if somebody wanted fuller, I would use 3 bundles. If I was to do this on myself, I would use 3 bundles because I like my hair full, which I'll be doing on myself soon. So yeah. So you basically put the little boxes when you're parting the hair, and then you put the beads throughout that whole row. So after we have the whole row, we're gonna take the bundle and then you're gonna measure it to see how far and where it stops, and then you're gonna double it. You don't have to double it if you don't want to, but I like to double it only because I think that's how you get a fuller install, even though she doesn't like her hair too full, but we still need it full so it don't look crazy, you know. And then after you double it, you just cut where it stops at, and then you make sure they actually fit on the head. So then those 2 pieces that you cut off, you're gonna make sure you sew it together so that when you put it on the head, it's not coming loose, so that one part is not sliding. It was hard for me to show a clip of me sewing the whole thing on because my hand were in the way. But you basically just sew it like you would do a regular sewing. You do it through the beads, make sure it's not falling down, and then through the beads and through the bundle at the same time. Basically like a regular sewing. So this is a better close-up of the needle going through it. So you make sure your install is flat. It should be as flat as possible. That's the point of no braids, you know. So after you sew it all together, you want to make sure you tie the thread together so it doesn't come on loose. And then after you tie it, and then you just cut it off. So after I do that, I like to lift it up to make sure that none of the threads are loose or anything. So we make sure that the install lasts a long time. And if it is loose, I just go in with the little red tool. What do you call that thing? And then I just tie in them. See? Easy. Very easy. This is how flat your install should be. Very flat. Period. And then I basically do the same thing throughout the whole video. Literally. Part it, put the beads, measure the tracks, cut it, sew it on. Yeah. And when you part it, this is how seamless it should be. You see how like you can't even tell there's tracks because I put it so close together. Beautiful. And then now I'm just taking her leave out and then brushing it, no, combing it actually, and try to put it on ponytail. That was like the easiest install I've ever done. I know I say that for everything, but they literally be easy. Like that was my first time doing it. If you put your mind to something, you can get it done. Like easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, period. And now I'm just gonna start styling. She wanted it straight, so I'm gonna flat iron it, and you're gonna see it's not as straight as it could get because I didn't blow dry it before I straightened it because I was being lazy. But yeah. Y'all see that blend?
Beautiful.
She telling me more. I was just dusting the ends to like make it look neater because it was looking crazy to me. And then I just flattened the end, make it look all nice. Because why not? You see this right here? The smile? This is what keeps me going. I love when people look like this after I do their hair. Like, you see how happy she is? Like, I love that. And that's my best friend's mom. So she was letting me try on her, and I appreciate her for that. So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. If you guys enjoy it, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys try it, tag me. Okay? Let me know.